Hello everyone, this is Satish from apnipolicy.com and today we are here. Okay, so yeah, so this is Satish from apnipolicy.com and today we are going to learn about what is insurance agents and after that we will do a quick review about uh, in between the jobs and working as an insurance agent as a profession. Okay, and after that we will see how you can become an agent. So what is an insurance agent? So basically they are companies who give insurance to the people regarding uh, health insurance, life insurance, or cargo or general insurance. So they hire people as an agent who do sales on behalf of them. For example, LIC. LIC's main motive is LIC's main source of income, or we can say the main source through which they emphasis the most is they sell the they sell the life insurance. So for that they hire agents, and those agents do the sales of their life insurance policies to the people. And as they sell the policy, they get the commission over the premium the person pays to the company. So that's their main source of income. And with that, they also get few of the benefit, like they get the life insurance for free of certain amount, like 10 lakhs. Or that depends on the company and what kind of offer they offer to their agents, and they also get the gifts and all. So that's all they give. Okay, so now we know what is insurance agents. Okay, so now move forward, we see job versus insurance agent. So what is a job? Okay, then when a person works for a company on monthly basis or weekly basis or with a certain amount of pay, then it is called job. Okay, and as I mentioned earlier, what is an insurance agent? So you know what is insurance agent. So the thing is that if we compare the both, then we can clearly see this thing that if you are working as a professional, then you will get a certain amount, no matter how hard you work or how much you work, your money will not increase, like it will not increase drastically as much you efforts put in. Okay, so there is not a direct relation between them. Maybe after some time or after achieving a certain position or designation, or after few time, as they most of the companies have their own policies or terms and conditions, you will get the promotion and increase in your pay. But you won't get like if you put your 200%, 1000% in like 2 weeks, like all the knowledge and all everything, then you won't get a raise in your pay immediately. You will get that after certain time, or after completing few projects, or maybe you don't get that. So it's very the relation between your pay and your efforts is not direct. Okay, so in the insurance agents, if you're working as an insurance agent, the relation between your pay, the money you will get, and the efforts you will put is equal. It's like it's related. Okay, so the the more effort you put, the more pay you will get. Okay, if you are learning so again and again, if you're learning new skills of sales and all, then you will apply them into the market, and you will make some sales, and you will get your commission and your pay will increase. If you don't do that, you won't get the pay. So this is a basic structure. So this is a major, we can say, a difference between these two. Okay, so now I have listed down few of other of the differences between them. Let's take a brief look upon each one of them. Okay, so opportunities in India. Okay, So let's discuss the opportunities of both of the elements in India. As in jobs, as the population is increasing and companies are limited, they don't increase they on daily basis, or like they won't increase like this. The jobs will not, the number of jobs are not increasing with the proportion of the number of population. Okay, so there's a scarcity of the job, we can say that, and it is there, we all know that. Okay, there's an employment unemployment in India. And in the case of insurance agent, in the case of insurance agent, the I have studied that this niche of insurance agents is very unexplored, as the major population of India does not possess a simple health insurance also. So the market is there, but people are not exploring that. Okay, they are not exploring it as a career option, and I think don't even as a customer. Okay, so that niche is very unexplored. So market is there, but people are not there. They are not working in that field. Okay, so opportunities are there in insurance agents as compared to the job. Okay, so let's move forward. The second we have be your own boss. Okay, so in job, you are working under someone, like you have to report to someone your daily work, like what you have done, what your next plan is, and why you did this in this project, or what you are going to do this specific thing in this project, and everything. So, okay, so you have to report to someone, you have to do their work and all. But if we look at as an agent, as an insurance agent, you don't have to report anyone. The company will not put any kind of pressure on you that you have to sell this much of insurances, and or this much of your sales target you have to achieve. It's upon you how much you work and how much you sell. That much you'll earn. So there is no pressure, nothing. You can work it as in part time. You can do it like a part-time thing, and you can earn some extra money. Okay, so you are your own boss. Okay, so the third point which we have is no limits of earning. Okay, so as I have mentioned earlier, the most major difference between two of them is that there is a no limitation of earning in working as an insurance agent, but there is a limitation in the job. Okay, I have explained that. Okay, so let's not um, move forward. Let's move forward. So flexible working hours. So in the job, you have to work for like 8 hours, 6 hours every day, or you get only limited CLs or holidays, and so everything is limited. If you won't work for more than your given CLs, your pay will get cut. So, but as an insurance agent, the the pay and there's a flexibility in your working hours. You can work for like uh, whatever you whatever suits you. If you want to work for like 2 3 hours a day, you can do it. Or you want to work for like one day in a week, then you can do that also. So there's a flexibility in working hours. And let's move forward. If we move to fifth point, we see that other benefits. So other benefits which we get as a working insurance agent, we get the um, working hour flexibility, and we get the uh, we get the free health insurance also from the company, and we get some bonuses, and there are different benefits. So I think that the job don't give you that much of freedom. You get the most thing which I want to say that, in my opinion, which you get, that as an insurance agent, is the most valuable thing which you get is the freedom. You get the freedom. You get the freedom to work according to yourself, which suits you. You don't have to report to someone. You don't have to work for them. You are working for yourself. If you feel like working, you work. You don't feel like, you don't work. So that's the biggest thing you get, and that is freedom. So who should choose career? Who should choose insurance agent as a career? Okay, so uh, anyone can choose that. Okay, there is not a limitation like only women will work in that field, or only men will work, or kids, or anyone can work. Whoever is above 18 and wants to earn can work as an insurance agent. You just need some basic sales technique or skills, and possess some knowledge about your company's insurance plan and everything. Then you can work. Okay, so there's not like any foundation that only this specific segment of people can work in this field. Okay, so now we know a difference between a job, working as a job, as in a job, or working as an insurance agent. So now we know the difference. So let's take a quick look on how we can become an agent. Okay, so you all must be thinking what are the qualifications we require, or what are the skills we should possess. Like in a job, we all need basic qualification or skill set to work for that particular post or for that designation. There's not such thing in that in the as working as an agent. You just need to be a 12th class person from a certified board. Then you just have to clear a exam of IID, and it's very easy. Anyone can do that who has done his or her 10th or 11th, 10th or 12th, with some knowledge. Okay, so qualification is very basic. You can do that. And skills, I don't think in the initial stages you should it's mandatory to possess some skill. I think the skills of selling comes from the experience. So you will develop that with time. Okay, you don't need a specific skill set in the starting. So you will get that with experience. So there's not any skill set required. So this is how you can become an agent. So if you want to become an agent, you have to get registered somewhere. So here's come the apnipolicy.com. You just have to log into www.apnipolicy.com and go to that section. Um, want to work as an agent, click on that, fill your details. We will reach out and we will get you registered for the exam. After that, we will get you prepared for the exam, and boom, you are an agent. So let's summarize this. Okay. Thank you everyone for being here.